All right, time for some Thursday birthdays across the area. We're going to begin in Carl Junction with Lena Ann Nora Felice, celebrating birthday number 2. It says happy birthday from Grammy.
And turning 3 years old this year, it's time to celebrate for Legacy Kelly in Galena, Kansas. Happy birthday, Legacy.
And Anthony Cable down in Anderson, Missouri, celebrating birthday number 18. Happy birthday, Anthony.
And Paula Jones, happy birthday from your family and friends in Joplin, turning 28 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Paula.
And we've got Connie Gibbs celebrating in Girard, Kansas today, and there she is with her daughter Charlie. Happy birthday to you, Connie.
All right, Danny Dutton celebrating birthday number 61 this year in Joplin. Happy birthday, Danny.
And Rick Parmalee celebrating birthday number 69 in Columbus. Happy birthday, Rick.
All right, out in Thayer, Kansas, Margie Brown celebrating the big 8-0. Happy birthday, Margie.
And Chuck and Sandy Stanley in Farlington, Kansas, celebrating their 54th wedding anniversary. A very happy anniversary to the Stanleys.
In Uniontown, it's double sixes for Steve Headley. Happy birthday, Steve.
And last but not least, Caden celebrating a birthday in Oswego. Happy birthday, Caden. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And as we've mentioned before, we just love doing these celebrations. Danya, where do folks need to send their celebrations?
You can send them to this email. Just send your picture, your birth date, the age, hometown, all of those great details to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out the latest news, weather, and sports, make sure you check out the KOAM Birthday Club. Get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.